Oh, good morning, good morning. I am in this 2009 Ford Escape. Got 2.5 in it. Customer stated that the wrench light came on and it was real sluggish and it would stall out. So when I got in it, obviously the wrench light's not on. I pulled codes, no codes. Usually if the wrench light's on and you turn the car off, it goes away. So I was like, well, I'm gonna go test drive this thing. Test drive it on my little test drive route. I did one full, and I was like, you know what? Let me keep driving this thing. So I took a right instead of a left to go back to the dealership. I took a right, went back around, came back up to a stop sign, turned left to head back toward the dealership, and the wrench light came on, and it was real sluggish and almost wanted to stall out. So I had the computer with me. I pulled the code. It's P2112. Which is the throttle actuator is stuck. So here's the video of me pulling the throttle body off of it. It basically needed a throttle body. At least comment on these. So go ahead, check that out. Just replacing the throttle body. I'll also show you the old throttle body, how dirty it is on the backside. So enjoy, and I will talk to you guys and see you on the next one, and I love ya. Oh, good morning, good morning. Just pulling the throttle body off of this Escape. P2112. It's stuck. Just move that over there. See if I can get down in here without an extension. And this is I forgot what year. Oh, 09. .5 liter. 8mm. And the electrical connector right there that I already unplugged. Pretty straightforward, 4 bolts. Uno, dos, tres. Ugh. Yeah, look at that. I can barely push it. Oh, gasket. Gasket throttle body for this8E5Z9E936A. That's the throttle body gasket. Throttle body DS7Z9E926D. Sits inside a little groove. Sorry about that. Had some technical difficulties. Had to do that with one hand. All right, we got our 8mm bolts. And we're done. That's how you do it.